back up in Sedona. Getting ready to pick up load number 2 up here at this site. Sure nobody's coming that way, nobody's behind me. I'm gonna back up to my spot. It's a little easier to get onto. Gotta look at this guy's gate. I love it. Neighbor is a Karen. It's a MIA, POW, probably a veteran right there, and somebody's been giving him hell from a neighbor's point of view, and he ain't putting up with it, and I give you credit for that, bro. Everybody else in this neighborhood must just love that. All right, up the hill we go. I'm fortunate I don't have any crummy neighbors. We have a nice little town where I live, nice little neighborhood, everybody's friends, everybody knows everybody. We all get along great. No drama. All right, we're almost to the turn. This hill's a booger. It's pretty steep. I'm running empty. Lock my inner axle now, so I'm light in the back, and a lot of times I get part way up this thing and it just starts spinning. I gotta hit it again, go forward, go backward. Pain in the neck. See if we get up at this time. Just missed going in the ditch. And then up we go. Come on, baby. Pull me up. We can do it without breaking the tires loose. Nope, they're gonna break. Yep, they're spinning. All right, tried to go slow and gentle. So now we gotta hit it a little harder. Try to get through that one little hump. Get over that little hump. Reverse. All right, nobody's behind me. Spinning. Did we get far enough? We did. We're gonna have traction now. Just barely, but we made it. I hate that little hill right there. Freaking hate it. All right, back up into position to get loaded, and then we wait around a little bit. That ought to do. Put that window up on that side, or else I'll get filled up with dust. All right, I'll be back with you once we get loaded and get ready to get on down the road. Well, I figured I'd video a little bit while the guys are loading the truck up here. Cody's just now getting the Traco, the excavator into position. We're moving this pile of rubble, plus what I'm standing on, a bunch of stuff he's been hammering all morning, building these steps and all kinds of ledges and stuff up here. So he's just first scoop. It's noisy, but what a place to work, huh? See that background over there? That's called Capitol Butte. This is all part of Sedona. Beautiful place. Beautiful place to work. It's surprising how quick you can load a dump truck with an excavator like this. Pretty decent sized bucket on there. I think it's like a third of a yard in that bucket. But it can move earth pretty quick. Whoever's house this is going to be, man, they've got $1 million view right here. I'm sure they're paying a few million for this house. Keeping everything wet down. Keeping the dust down so the neighbors don't all complain. Anyway, I'm gonna let him get going and get us finished loading up, and then I'll get back on the road. Okay guys, we are loaded up. We're ready to get rolling. So we're gonna get on down off of this little hill. Let's see here. I'll go ahead and close our tarp. Looking out in the rearview mirror so I can see it when it gets closed all the way. There it is. All right, easy does it down off of this hill. Like so. I'll wait till I get around this next corner before I drop my pushers. Pretty nice neighborhood up here, but everybody's got real steep driveways, either up or down, and they do on occasion get a half a foot or so of snow up here. I bet some of these driveways are a real pain in the butt when you got snow on the ground. Hard to get in and out. All right, now we can drop our pushers. Uh-oh, spilling my coffee. Back in its cup holder. All right, nobody's coming around the corner. That window up so it's not so loud. Get back on the main road and head over to Cottonwood. So I'll get back with you when I get a little closer to where I'm gonna dump this off. Alright gang, well we're just pulling up to the material yard here in Cottonwood, and we're going to use this first entrance that was under construction a couple of weeks ago. When I came in here, they had just poured that and they didn't want us driving over it, obviously, for want to break that brand new concrete, but now they've got it all reinforced. It's good to go. Come in right here. I'm just going right here on top of the dirt pile, so it makes it a lot shorter trip. Ahead, lock the old inner axle. Go ahead and open my tarp up. Gotta go up the hill right here. Wait till the tarp gets open. There we go. Try not to hit any of these rocks. Up, up, come on, baby. Alright, I guess we'll plunk this one right down there too. Right next to where we dropped the last one. Actually, I think I'm going to swing it all the way over here on the left. Get it a little more out of the way. It puts me on a little bit more of a lean. Oh, baby, what are you doing? Something's acting weird. What's happening here? Unlock the inner axle in case that's giving me issues. I don't know why it would have been, but something was doing something weird right there. It didn't want to back up. Try this again. Alright, I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna get out and take a peek. Something's not right. Looks alright. Ah, now I know. I didn't raise my pushers. Operator error. That's what. Can't back up with your pushers down. Doesn't back up worth the crap like that. I'm going to put it over here on the far left. It's a little bit on more of a lean, but it's much more out of the way. So I think that'll be better for everybody involved. Back here all the way tucked up against that other pile. Well, we're not on too much of a lean right there. That's fine. Alright, put in drive. Unlock the tailgate. Lift the tailgate. It came up. Up we go. Ease forward, pinch. Let the rest of that fall out. Looks like all of it. Bed back down. there we go. Clunkety clunk. Lock the tailgate, get out and make sure it's locked. Another nice big pile of red rocks. Tailgate's locked, mud flaps are still attached. Things looking good. Cement all on my pushers. That's from the job they've been doing up in Flagstaff. They've been pouring a bunch of concrete. Must have had to drive through some splatter. It's funny how well concrete sticks to metal like that. All right, let's get on down off the hill. Things set the way it should be. Okay guys, heading back to Sedona for another load. I will get back with you later today probably. Make another video maybe. But until then guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'll try to keep these videos coming, and you never know what we'll be doing. Every day is a different day here when we're working on Fridays. So you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I will catch you later.